Hi, I'm John with EGM. I'm here to demonstrate changing the span of an E&H Promag 300. To start with, we're going to press the enter and the minus button at the same time, coming up from the bottom to trigger that. It's key lock off. Once it says key lock off, we can remove our fingers, and now we'll push the enter button, and we'll use the plus key to go highlight setup. Coming from the bottom, highlight setup. Once setup is highlighted, we're going to press the enter button, and once we get in setup, we'll go with the plus key to current out 1. Current out 1, we'll press enter to enter that. And now here we're going to go to our value at 20 milliamps using the plus key, coming from the bottom. 20 milliamp value. To get into there, we'll press the enter button, and we'll change from 10 gallons a minute is where we're at now. We're going to go to 25. So to move the cursor, we'll use the plus button to go to 2. We'll enter that. We'll use the plus button again to go to 5. Coming up from the bottom, 5, and then we'll press enter again. Now we've at 25 gallons. We're going to use the enter button to keep going through till we highlight the check mark. It's highlighted, so at this point we'll press enter again, and that will save our setting, 25 gallons per minute at value, 20 milliamp value. So now to get out, we'll use the plus and minus key to scroll out. It should take about 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times, and we're back to the home page. You've changed the value at 20 milliamp.